Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Claude's new AI model, which has recently been introduced as Claude Fable 5. As you can see, this is the main interface of Fable 5. It comes with different effort modes: low, medium, high, extra, and max. By default, it is set to high. Today we're going to test its capabilities by building different games using just a single prompt. Let's see how Claude Fable 5 performs, how it generates games, and what kind of results it can produce. As you can see, this is the complete Claude interface. I'm entering a very simple prompt. Build me a car racing game. That's it. I'm not providing any additional instructions or details, just a single prompt. Let's see. Happens. Claude is now thinking and generating the output. I can see messages such as architecting interactive racing game as it begins building the project. Let's wait and see the final result. And there it is. The game has been generated in under 1 minute. Yes, guys, it took only about a minute for this AI model to build an entire game. That's incredibly fast. Now let's test the game. The game is currently loading, so we'll wait a few moments for everything to initialize. The interface is loaded, and hopefully the game will start shortly. The game has now started. As I can see, it's a 2D style racing game. It's not exactly like Need for Speed, but it does resemble the classic arcade racing games many of us used to play. Even so, it's impressive that Claude was able to create a fully playable game from just one prompt in less than a minute. The game is actually quite fun and interesting. However, I'd like something closer to Need for Speed. A more immersive experience with a 3D or third-person perspective, making it feel like I'm actually driving the car. So let's try again with a new request. Claude is now building the game once more. Let's wait for the generation process to complete. I can see messages such as architecting pseudo 3D racer with curves and nitro boost. That sounds promising. The game is still being generated, so let's give it a little more time. It's been about 2 minutes now. Claude is continuing to build the pseudo 3D racing experience. The interface has appeared, and the game is loading. I can see details such as horizon rendering, throttle controls, nitro injectors, braking mechanics, and other racing elements being added. This is really impressive. Claude has even included dedicated brake and nitro controls, which makes the experience feel much more like a real racing game. Awesome job by Claude Fable 5! The game has finally started, and honestly, it looks pretty cool. It's amazing that Claude was able to build a game like this using only HTML and a simple prompt. The result is surprisingly engaging and visually impressive. I genuinely didn't expect Claude to be capable of creating something this good so quickly. This demonstrates just how powerful modern AI models have become when it comes to coding, creativity, and rapid prototyping. Okay, now let's test another game. This time, I want to create an Indian mythology-based game inspired by the Ramayana. Let's see how Claude handles a culturally rich and story-driven concept compared to the racing games we tested earlier. As you can see, I'm entering a simple prompt to build a game based on the legendary battle between Lord Rama and Ravana. Once again, I'm not providing any detailed instructions, game mechanics, character descriptions, or design requirements. It's just a single-line prompt. Now let's see how Claude responds to this challenge. Will it be able to understand the context of the Ramayana, create the appropriate characters, and generate a playable game experience from such a minimal prompt? The generation process has started, and Claude is now working on building the game. Let's wait and see what it delivers using nothing more than a single prompt. As you can see, the game has been successfully built. And honestly, I'm amazed by what Claude Fable 5 was able to create in just a few minutes. It's really impressive to see how quickly the AI transformed a simple prompt into a fully playable mythology-based game. Looking at the gameplay, we can clearly see the battle between Lord Rama and Ravana. At the top of the screen, Lord Rama has 3 lives, while Ravana is represented with his 10 heads. The objective of the game is straightforward. Defeat Ravana by eliminating all 10 heads while protecting Lord Rama and avoiding defeat yourself. What's fascinating is that all of this was generated from a single prompt without providing detailed game mechanics, character designs, or story elements. Claude understood the context of the Ramayana and created a game that captures the essence of the legendary battle. Seeing results like this really shows how far AI has come. Every day, AI models are becoming more capable, more creative, and more powerful. Tasks that once required hours or even days of development can now be accomplished in just a matter of minutes. It's exciting to imagine what will be possible in the future as these technologies continue to evolve. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll continue creating more videos like this, exploring the latest AI tools, models, and innovations. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of AI-related videos you'd like to see next. Your suggestions help shape future content, and I'd love to hear your ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.